I'm Anishka. You'll get used to seeing my face as we have a lot of exciting stuff coming ahead. I have recently joined the NTS family and I'm loving it so far. I take care of the marketing and communication department here, along with two of my very talented colleagues, Milliam and Neil. It's been a great experience so far. You can say it's never a dull day here, and I'm so hyped to be a part of this business for a long time.
Hi, I'm Milliam and I'm the resident media coordinator. I'm in charge of writing articles and blogs for our website, and I work with Anishka, and we hope to bring you content coming up real soon. Thanks.
Yeah, my name's Kim Atkinson, and I'm the probably not the founder, but the early motivator of Natural Technology Systems. Natural Technology Systems was formed in the early 80s, and it was formed by the village community, and it was called the Village Alternatives. This morphed into Natural Technology Systems, and my family and I acquired it in 1986. So we've been here around about 35 years, thereabouts. So the early days we were involved in selling solar panels, wind turbines, windmill water pumps, wheat grinding machines and all that sort of thing. But that has evolved into a modern solar company, and today we have three divisions. We have the division that sells the grid top solar and installs it. We have another division for off-grid, and we have a third division which is eBay online purchasing of components for solar systems. And yeah.
My name's Peter Stepney, and I've been working with Natural Technology since 1983. My role is mainly domestic solar systems throughout South Australia, selling high quality products like Q-Cell, Feronius and Goodwick. We offer a free on-site visit at no obligation to follow up through with a high professional quote. Look forward to meeting you one day and putting a reliable solar system on your house.
My name is Richie and I am the operations manager of Natural Technology Systems over the last 6 years. We service all types of customers, be it from homes to small and medium businesses. We understand that choosing a solar system can be confusing, so we at Natural Technology Systems have chosen the best quality systems for your needs. We are also one of the first battery system integrators, and we provide off-grid solar battery systems in rural areas hundreds and thousands of kilometers away, from sheep and cattle stations, heritage sites, nature reserves, and islands alike. At Natural Technology Systems, we pride ourselves as your first stop for all your inquiries and providing quality service over the last 35 years. We hope to see you soon.